Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to spray sunscreen on your back by yourself. This will be a step-by-step tutorial, so let's get right into this awesomely simplistic instructional video. So as you can see right here, I have this spray sunscreen bottle, and you can use regular sunscreen that you sort of squirt on and then sort of move it around, or you can use something like this, which is like a spray-on sunscreen, okay? And there's a bee buzzing around me, so if you see me sort of flapping my hand around, I do apologize. But if you want to use this and you want to apply it to your back yourself, it's actually not that hard to do. I just came back from vacation with my wife and my kids, and my wife had a bet with me. She said, I bet you can't get, because I said I can get the sunscreen on my back myself. She said, no, you can't. I bet you that you can't. And I did it, and I proved to her that I could. So, and to my kids, they're all like, yeah, go daddy, go, right? So I figured I'd show you how to do it. Really, really simple. First and foremost, your back, you're gonna essentially be dividing it up into different parts. So you're gonna start off with your lower back. So obviously you're gonna unlock your sunscreen cap, and you're gonna spray it on your lower back. So this area right here, you're gonna reach behind you, spray it on your lower back like that, okay? Obviously I'm not gonna do it for real, but aim the cap at your lower back so that you can spray it on your lower back. And then you're gonna place the sunscreen container down, take your hands, and you're gonna rub your lower back like this, okay? Just like that. Just like that. You've now covered basically the lower third of your back, okay? Next, what you're gonna do is you're gonna divide your middle back into two separate sides. So I'm gonna start off by taking my hand like this, and I'm gonna spray over here on my middle of my back, just a little bit, obviously. Then I'm gonna take my hand, and I'm gonna rub over here towards the middle of my back where my lats are. And I'm gonna do the same thing with the other hand. Take it, spray over here, take my hand, rub the middle of my back like this. And then the last part that you're gonna do is sort of your upper, middle back, and all around the upper portion. Very, very simple. You can just reach over and spray with both sides. So like this, you can reach over and spray like this, and then reach over and spray like this, okay? Then what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your hands, you're gonna go like this, and now I'm covering all of this area over here. Okay, I'm going over the shoulder, same thing over the other shoulder, covering all of this area over here. And then now what we can do is we can go just like this and cover the top middle like that, okay? And you will, if you work it properly, you will have essentially covered your entire back area with sunscreen. And it's that simple. And if you appreciate the fact that I'm filming this in what looks to be an empty parking lot, but there are a whole bunch of people over there wondering what on earth I'm doing, just make sure to smash the like button if you can have an appreciation for that. But yeah, that is essentially how to put spray sunscreen, how to put like a spray-on type of sunscreen on your back by yourself. Yeah, that's it. I mean, hopefully you have someone that can help you out, but if you don't, and you still want to apply sunscreen to protect you from the sun, that's how to do it. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.